explicitly. According to Crookes and Steen, any condition that might energize and direct our action is called motivation. According to Sage, जो भी है, driver is to strive. The drive to strive is called the motivation. The drive to strive. According to Adlerman, motivation is a general level of arousal to action in an individual. Motivation is inclination to pursue and persist in activities related to one's sport. Hence, it can be alluded after analysis of above definition that motivation is the inner condition of the individual that initiates or directs its behavior towards the goal. In fact, motivation is that force which incites individual to perform some activity. It also determines the individual direction of action and his intensity of action. When an individual is motivated, he experiences a tension and disequilibrium and becomes restless. Thus, his actions are initiated. The individual feels an urge to behave in a certain direction and is aware that motivation is the heart of learning process but is not the sole determinant of what we perform. Motivation is not enough to put football player in the team. He must have requisites high health, skill, size, intelligence, opportunity, and field force. If one acquires these traits through proper motivation, he will be able to show marvelous achievements. Types of motivation. There are two types of motivation, intrinsic and extrinsic. Intrinsic motivation. Intrinsic motivation is internal. It occurs when persons are compelled to do something out of pleasure, importance, or desire. Motivation is always intrinsic when force comes from within oneself. For example, when a person indulges in any sports to have mastery, to display superiority, to gain social approval, is an intrinsic motivation. He/she participates in sport for his own sake. Extrinsic motivation. Extrinsic motivation is external. It occurs when external factors compel the person to do something. Motivation is always extrinsic. When external forces, positive or negative, produces a behavioral change, reward, punishment, praise, blame, or cash prize are example of extrinsic motivation. It has been found that such devices motivate some persons more strongly than others. In fact, extrinsic motivation includes factors that motivate the individual for achieving the goal. Let's discuss the techniques of motivation. Goal setting, elaborate arrangement of competition, presence of opposite sex, spectators, verbal commands, hypnotism, healthy sports environment, knowledge of result, praise or blame, cash prizes, certificates and trophies, motivational music, positive attitude, and positive self-talk. Let's discuss all these 13 aspects one by one and gain the command over these topics. Goal settings. Goal setting is one of the most important technique of motivation. If you do not set a goal, you cannot achieve apex position in your life. So to a sports person, the sports person should be encouraged to set few ambitious but achievable